Well, we know this, whether it's from age or other conditions, if you experience increased things like joint stiffness, decreased range of motion, visual changes, hearing changes, these changes can have a dramatic impact on your ability to drive safely. Well, we wanted to put this to the test as well. Dr. Berman is going to demonstrate what happens when you lose some of your physical capabilities. So Dr. Berman, come on out, because she's gonna be wearing the GERT aging simulation suit. This is provided by Global Technology Simulators. And this is really this is simulating for you what it may feel like.
This is terrible.
Is it?
It really is.
Jen, you look like you're going skiing.
I'm feeling tired. I feel like I want to sit down.
So this is designed literally to mimic changes in decreased vision.
Thank you. I feel like my posture, I just want to go like this.
Wait, is this, so this is designed to kind of,
I'm getting zapped too.
Oh, you're being zapped?
This thing is zapping, so I'm like feeling
Makes
like.
you shake?
Yeah.
So this is one possible view into what someone who is elderly and impaired with either musculoskeletal issues or visual issues or neurologic issues with a tremor
Hard
might
to
be
concentrate
feeling.
and listen to what she's saying.
I know. You're talking to her. She's like,
I think you're going to be adorable.
I'm going to be
40
terrible.
years.
Let's see if I can
So
find
just try to transfer. So if you look closely at this outfit, it's designed to limit range of motion, much like, say, arthritis. So she's got these bands on her joints. There are these weights throughout her body because, as we all know...
Oh, my... Oh, here, try to write your name.
Write anything on the piece of paper. These goggles are designed to limit range of vision.
Oh, my gosh.
Can you write me a prescription?
That's amazing.
Okay, so I feel like range of motion is done, heaviness, can't see, I can't hear. I can't hear as it is. But, but yeah, like I'm limited.
But
Really?
what's the solution? Because like my in-laws are both 80 and they are both, their faculties are perfect, they're great drivers, they don't have any issues, so it's not really fair to say everyone over a certain age.
Not a number at all.
So how do you know?
Well, that's, I think, why we wanted to highlight this. It's that, and this can happen at any age.
Sure.
You can slowly be losing your vision, your hearing. A lot of times you don't recognize it yourself.
Yeah.
And that's why what we're trying to highlight here is if you have anyone in your family who you're worried about, you know, there are driver rehabilitation courses where they can work with you and set up your car to be as safe as possible. But more importantly, if you worry that, say, your elderly parent has visual difficulties, you got to get that checked, hearing checked, because if you're driving, it's impaired.
Yeah.
If you're driving impaired for whatever reason, the statistics, I know you have them in front of you, docs, are pretty startling.
I mean,
with the number of accidents.
First of all, this
occur.
demographic, this area of the population is really exploding in terms of numbers. You know, the drivers 85 years and older, this is the fastest growing driver demographic in the country, which is a good thing. It means that there are more vibrant people living into their 80s and being active and living independently. But I think the other really important issue for the families of someone like that to consider is it doesn't have to be all or none. You don't have to say, oh, that's it, Dad, no more driving for you at all. Maybe it's you don't drive at night. Maybe it's you don't drive in bad weather.
Or too far.
Exactly.
Just being in this thing, by the time that I'm 80, I'm hoping that cars will be smarter and that we can just push a button and it'll know where to go.